In this segment, we will review the use of the Autosum and Autofill tools. We have in front of us a partially completed spreadsheet. And aside from formatting, we have a lot of data that needs to be filled in here and completed. So if we look at this thing, the first thing I see is annual sales. I can't quite see it, so I'm going to left justify it. But I also see the headings aren't here. If I go to quarter one, and remember on the autofill, it autofills not only the headings, but also the formats. So I want to make sure I have that format just the way I want it. So I just want to have quarter one centered. I'll grab the fill handle at the bottom right hand corner of the rectangle, drag it across, and I've done my quarters. I see the same thing for team. Grab my fill handle and I'll go down. So now I've done the vertical and I've also done the horizontal. And let me just put some totals in here. Now I don't have any sums on here, I don't have any totals, so I'm going to do that next. I'm going to click in the cell where I want the total, go up to the ribbon, I'm still on the Home tab, click on Autosum. Is that what I want? B4 to B6? Yeah, that's quarter one. Hit enter, and I've now completed my sum. If I look on that and I see that nothing is amiss, I can grab the fill handle and come over and do the bottom. Now the other thing I don't see is I don't see the Team 1 totals for year to date. So I'll click on F4, that's where I want my total to be, go back to my Autosum, click on it, and it's automatically going to go to the left because there's nothing above it. So it's going to go B4 to E4. I'll hit enter. Yeah, it looks good. Now this time I'm going to click on F4, grab my fill handle, and I'm going to go the whole way down to the totals. And it drags the totals over. The only thing I don't see is an underline here, and I can easily fix that. But just for safety's sake, I'm going to double check this and do an Autosum on the bottom of the four quarters. Just because I want to. And yes, it's the same number. So I'll click on that, I'll delete it, and I'm happy with the way this spreadsheet is right now. This concludes the segment on the review of the Autosum and the Autofill tools.